Hi, I'm Mike Sanderson, owner of Auto Service Experts in Grove City. When it comes to driving, nothing matters more than safety for you, your passengers, and everyone else on the road. That's why staying on top of your vehicle's safety features and maintenance is so important. Modern vehicles are equipped with incredible safety systems, from airbags and anti-lock brakes to advanced features like lane keeping assist and automatic emergency braking. These technologies are designed to protect you in ways we couldn't imagine just a few years ago. But here's the thing, these features only work properly if your vehicle is well maintained. Simple tasks like checking your brakes, tires, and lights can make a huge difference. Worn brake pads or underinflated tires can increase stopping distance, while a burned-out tail light can put you at risk of an accident. Regular maintenance is your first line of defense in keeping these systems reliable. At Auto Service Experts, we also specialize in advanced safety systems like ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance Systems. These technologies rely on precise calibration to perform correctly, and we've got the tools and expertise to make sure they're always ready to protect you. Putting safety first means more than just following the rules of the road. It's about keeping your vehicle in top shape so that every trip, whether it's across town or across the country, is as safe as it can be. If it's time for a safety check or routine maintenance, visit our website or call us at 614-808-8340 to schedule an appointment. At Auto Service Experts, we're here to help you drive with confidence and peace of mind.